Hi, I'm Shrek. Today I'm going to talk about someone that I admire. I really like a rapper called Bio. I will tell you 3 reasons why. First of all, his songs are very good. Over 70% of the people who live in Korea knows that song called Counting Stars. This song was sang in Show Me the Money 10. This song was made because he sent his grandfather to the hospital, and at that night he saw lots of stars and wrote it. This song is very famous, and this is not the only famous song that Bio has. There's famous songs like Limousine, Love Me, Blurry in My Hotel Room. Second of all, he is very cute. If you look at his photos at Instagram, you will know why. There are a lot of photos that I put it in my profile picture too. Third of all, he is very kind. I went to every concert that Bio had. He always looked out for his umbrellas. Also, he cares people around. I took a picture after the concert, and I was not the only one taking the picture together. There were my friends. Bio took care of all of them and gathered every single one, and cared for everyone and took a picture together. And that is my 3 reasons why I admire Bio.